Hello guys, welcome back to channel Wagwan Tours. We're here in Icmeler, Turkey. Let's have a little look around. So yeah, this is our final day in Icmeler. So we thought we'd get all the videos done. What's this up here? Is this old Bill, is it? On their scooters. Very cool. We're at the hangout spot here. Very nice. Very nice, hangout. All the bikes, trikes you would need. So 3 for 20 seems to be the going deal at the moment. Any shoes, tenner. That's really good. Tenner a shoe. So yeah, I think we are gonna pick up some clothes on this trip. We'll see also if it's cheaper in Icmeler. Cheaper in Icmeler. Good morning, how are you?
How are you, brother? You okay?
Good, thank you, yeah.
You had your breakfast or not?
Nah, we've had food already. Yeah.
Just go for one drink if you have time.
Oh, no, we have to finish those.
Alright then.
Thank you, yeah?
See you later.
See ya. So yeah.
Feel like your own house, the same with my.
So they do the big bread. Puff up the bread. What's that? Black Bulls. Funny names. And you got the no-name tours there. They got the no-name shop as well. I think there's even a no-name bar. I remember seeing it on our first time we came here. Look at that slide. That's a much better slide.
Oh yeah, wow.
Much better slide. Much better than the one in our little
We'll be
place.
testing out one later though.
Yeah, Sabrina's going to be on it, so you might see a video of her on a slide from our hotel. Hey guys, if you could like, comment and share, it would really help us. Yeah, supermarkets. I don't really remember about the prices here. If it's, as cheap as Audi or more expensive. I guess you're always going to pay a little bit more for imported stuff. Again guys, if you need to get cash, use these machines. Don't buy lira from the UK to bring out. It's always better to get it out here, whether you take a card with you or bring cash. Let's cross over because everything's on the other side. I'll show you what's on there. Let's go.
Yeah, and I need to.
So what's this? Your place. This is your place. $4.50 for breakfast, not bad. And 100 lira, £2 for a beer. So really good. It's a bottle of EFS. I don't know how you pronounce it. Someone did correct me before. But yeah, heading down towards. Let that lorry go past. But yeah, what's this? The Mirage World Hotel. Looks very nice. So yeah, we're heading towards the beach, which we might have to stop and have a beer. Sabrina's a bit thirsty, she says. You're very thirsty this holiday, haven't you, Sabrina?
Yeah.
So yeah, down here you got the old beach and you got the we've got the harbour. So if you watch any of our old videos, we started right here. When we started around here.
Swimming pool testing.
Oh, very good. Very good. Let us know in the comments where you stay when you come to Icmeler. Do you go all inclusive? Do you do self catering? We've only done all inclusive so far. This is literally our only destination we've ever done all inclusive, isn't it, Sabrina?
Yeah.
We've never done it anywhere else, have we? All inclusive. So yeah, and we always pick the cheapest because we're cheapskates. But yeah, let us know which ones you choose. Do you go for lavish, or you like us, always looking for that bargain? Let's take the long way a bit more. There's this one, beach house, 2 beers and a pizza, $6.88. Oof. It's not bad at all, is it? $6.88. But yeah, let's go down to the beach. Let these cars go past first. You can see the bus. Take you straight to Marmaris. I don't think these are expensive at all. But yeah. Let's go down there. Some people setting up for their little photo shoot. Yeah, beach is packed again. Very nice. So where we at? Yeah. So yeah, everyone chilling at the beach. Wonder, like, if you're staying at these hotels, do they give you a bed for free? I'm guessing they should, really, shouldn't they? If they got their beds out, they should give you a bed for free. But let me know in the comments if you stayed at like Faroes or any of the other ones. Yeah, there's a lot of all-inclusives at the very end, so if you go all the way around, won't be able to zoom in, but you know what I'm talking about. All the way around the corner. Let us know if you get free sunbeds. So that'd be quite a cool thing. But yeah, look at that. Another beautiful day in Icmeler.
Our pool's going to be busy today. Hotel's really busy, isn't it?
Yeah, the hotel's busy today. Well, busy this morning for breakfast, but actually when we left, it wasn't as busy around the pool. But it was so busy when we came back yesterday. It must have been around about 4 o'clock, wasn't it?
Yeah.
When we came back. It was very busy, so yeah. It's the iconic Icmeler bridge. Everyone likes a nice picture here. Got all your jet skis and everything from here. You can see them down the bottom. Banana boats. So, we're going to go back to BS, are we? For another drink?
Yeah.
I think so. Why not? This is, we always end up going to BS somehow. I don't know why. Sunset Beach Bar and Restaurant.
Yeah, I do find that though.
You do find what?
That when you go away on holiday and you go to sort of, same sort of places, you end up getting drawn to the same for whatever reason. People have their little stomping grounds, don't they?
That's it. Here we are. Look how brown he is.
Oh, yeah.
He's got the muscles, everything. Hello.
Morning.
Morning.
We love you.
So yeah, Ibiza. Oh, of course they're going to give them for free actually, because everyone's got it for free. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Oh. I forget everyone gives you free sunbeds anyway, don't they?
Yeah.
So yeah, the hotels have got to give you a free sunbed. I'm thinking of like Rhodes. We just came back from Rhodes. And everywhere in Rhodes was no free sunbeds. But then Zante, we went there, and a lot of the boroughs along the beach normally, well, we always go out of season when I say normally. So yeah, out of season, they give you a bed for free. But in season, they were charging 15 some places.
Yeah.
I think it was 2 beds though, some of them 20 for 2.
Yeah.
So yeah. Let's where we at? Let's end the video here. So thank you all for watching, and subscribe, like, comment, share the videos to your family and friends who love Turkey, and we'll catch you on the next one.